All right, if you're a business owner or marketer looking for ways to drive traffic and sales, this video is gonna help you by teaching you product and marketing strategies that bring together what it is you're selling with the customers who are buying. Boom, nice little happy marriage for you. It doesn't matter if you're selling services, software, or soy lattes. These are the basic business methods that you need to succeed. Let's get started. What's up? It's Jamal from HubSpot. Product marketing is a process you use to increase demand by crafting a story that illustrates how your product fulfills your customers' needs and desires. It differs from brand marketing, which targets broader notions of cool or comfort or confidence, or price and promo marketing, which competes over costs. Now, all of these are important elements of an entire marketing plan, but only product marketing focuses on increasing demand for your product or service by addressing a customer's pain points, which makes it one of the most effective tools in your marketing arsenal. It's like going to get a massage and you're like, oh, excuse me, masseuse, right here hurts. And they go freaking, ha-cha! And they chop you right there and then you feel great for the rest of the day. And you're like, wow, I'm cured. Thank you. Only you seem to care about my pain point. So where do you start? The first step is to determine your unique selling point, also called USP. USP is what makes your product stand out from the competition. If you need help brainstorming your USPs, a good way is to start by creating a SWOT grid. SWOT is a business analysis tool that stands for strength, opportunities, weaknesses, and threats. By filling out this grid, your unique selling points will begin to reveal themselves. You can find a free template for making your own SWOT analysis as part of HubSpot's free product marketing kit. Download it now and I'll walk you through an example. The upper left quarter of the grid is strengths. You want to list anything that makes your product stand out. It can be an innovative design that does what others can't. Or maybe it's the ease of use. If you're a local business, your location can be a major USP. Or perhaps you offer a better online experience. A lot of products nowadays include social justice or eco-consciousness as part of their USP. Next to strengths is weaknesses. Fill out the section honestly, and I'll show you how to turn weaknesses into strengths. A higher price might be considered a weakness, but not if your USP is offering a premium product. Customer churn sounds bad, but maybe your highly flexible subscription model doesn't lock customers in. You see where I'm going with this? An opportunity like developing an innovative culture can be an obvious unique selling point, especially if you're selling software that can be perpetually updated for the customer. And even common business threats like new regulations can be spun as compliance for your USP list. The possibilities are literally endless, but try to come up with 3 to 6 USPs from your SWOT analysis. Unique selling points that will wow your customers. Speaking of customers, in order to wow them, you need to know them. So just like you spend time discovering your USP, you also need to work on defining who your customer is. Maybe ask them out on a nice little date. Just the two of you. Make it real romantic, real sweet. Just kidding, don't do that. And the easiest way to get to know your customer is to make a buyer persona, which you can get a hold of through HubSpot's free buyer persona templates, which you can also download for free in the link in the description. When you do, you'll find templates for various types of customers, but no matter which template you use, you'll see a section called challenges. Those are the needs the buyer is hoping to satisfy with your product. Some common challenges lots of B2B buyers face are not wanting to onboard a new product, not wanting to sign up for another subscription, or not wanting to risk falling outside of regulations. The place where the buyer's challenges overlaps with your USPs is where you want to market your product. It's called positioning, and it's the place you want your product to occupy in the mind of the consumer. Once you determine the positioning of your product, the job of a product marketer is to develop effective messaging for that position. We have dozens of videos that go into the nitty-gritty on how to get your message out there. So when this video is done, take a look at our Everything You Need to Know About Digital Marketing playlist. But there is one thing that I need you to know now. Your message, regardless of your unique selling points, must speak to the buyer's challenges. In other words, the message shouldn't talk about the features of the product. It can, but it's a lot better to talk about how those features benefit the buyer. Check out this classic ad for the first generation Apple iPod. The first iPod was a huge leap forward in computing, engineering, interface design, and much more. But none of that was in the first ads for this revolutionary product. What was advertised is a single statement, 1,000 songs in your pocket. Imagine without the iPod, you just open your pocket and you just hear 1,000 songs just emanating out of it. You'd be a little scared, to be honest. But the reason that worked is because for 99% of buyers, it's not about how a product solves the problem. It's about what problem the product solves. period. Which in the case of the iPod was being able to ditch the Discman and literally carry around your entire music collection in your pocket. Obviously, there are very few marketers who get to work on a once-in-a-generation product like the iPod. But just because what you're selling isn't a technology game changer doesn't change the product marketing equation. Smart positioning and messaging will convince most potential consumers that your product is worth buying. And that's where the go-to-market kit comes into play. So if you didn't download it before, you definitely want to pause this video and grab it now from the link in the description. When you get to that page, you'll see a bunch of links to various templates you can use to assist in your planning so that you can deploy marketing content that will effectively drive leads and sales. One example of the content I'm talking about that almost every company uses is landing pages. You can drive customers towards these landing pages using other product marketing content like product videos, search or social media ads, email marketing campaigns, you know the game. What matters is that whatever technique you use to drum up business, when it comes to product marketing, you want to focus on your USPs and use the messaging to address the benefits for your buyer personas. If you want to learn more about specific marketing techniques, keep watching our videos and be sure to subscribe so you never miss an update. Until next time, I wish you a bon marketing, which is Spanish for see you later.
I can't find this client info.
Have you heard of HubSpot? HubSpot is a CRM platform, so it shares its data across every application. Every team can stay aligned. No out-of-sync spreadsheets or dueling databases. HubSpot. Grow better.